Hello students. Today we are going to start from question number 11, exercise 6.1 of chapter 6. In this question, in adjoining figure, ray OS stands on a line POQ. It means POQ is a straight line and OS is a ray standing on the straight line. Ray OR and ray OT are angle bisectors of एंगल पी ओ एस का जो बाइसेक्टर है दैट इज रे ओ आर. हेयर अ वर्ड इज देयर स्टूडेंट्स, एंगल बाइसेक्टर. तो एंगल बाइसेक्टर इज दैट रे और दैट लाइन सेगमेंट विच डिवाइड्स द गिवन एंगल इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो आफ्टर ओ आर, now angle POS is divided into two parts, but according to question OR is angle bisector of POS. So it means both the parts of angle POS are equal, meaning this angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Again it is given that ray OT is bisector of angle QOS. It means both the parts of angle QOS are equal. So we can say angle 3 is equal to angle 4. On the basis of this information, we have to find the value of POS and ROT. ये values को POS is x. POS हमें x given है and we have to find the value of ROT. So in figure OR and OT are angle bisectors of angle POS and angle QOS. This is given. So therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. But angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is of 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? Because POQ is a straight line. Here we can replace angle 1 by angle 2 and angle 3 को हम replace कर सकते हैं angle 4 से. Sorry, angle 4 को angle 3 से. And we get double of angle 2 plus double of angle 3 is equal to 180. 2 into angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Angle 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 by 2 and we get angle 2 plus 3 is equal to 90 degree. Now look at the figure. Angle 2 plus 3 both angles दोनों मिलकर किस एंगल को फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? एंगल ROT को. So we have proved that angle ROT is 90 degree. अब इस क्वेश्चन में गिवन था कि एंगल POS is x, तो उसको हमने निगलेक्ट कर दिया, उसकी हेल्प से नहीं किया. इस टाइप से भी हम इस क्वेश्चन को कर सकते हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, द फिगर इज गिवन AOB is a straight line and in this figure angle COD, this angle is of 100 degree and this is Y, this is 2x and again one more ray is there OE and here angle is, this one angle is 3x and this angle is Z. So students, in this question AOB एक तो straight line given है and this one angle is given, and in first part we have to find, for first part find x and y when z एंगल जो है दैट इज़ ऑफ 105. तो इट मीन्स हमें z की वैल्यू गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड x एंड y. सो इन फिगर यू कैन सी AOB is a straight line. So we have y plus 100 plus 2x is equal to 180. This is our equation number 1. And in second equation we have z plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. जब भी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन गिवन है तो उसके अपर साइड पर जो एंगल्स बने हैं उनका सम होता है 180. सिमिलरली जो लोअर साइड पर बने हैं उनका सम होगा 180 डिग्री. एंड इन फर्स्ट पार्ट z इज़ 105. सो पुटिंग z is equal to 105 in equation 2, we get 105 plus 3x is equal to 180, and 3x is equal to 180 minus 105. 3x is equal to 75 degree, and x will be 75 by 3 is equal to 25 degree. Now we are having the value of x. So we can put this value in equation 1 to find the value of y. Now putting x is equal to 25 degree in equation 1, we get y plus 100 plus 2 into 25 is equal to 180, and y plus 100 plus 50 is equal to 180. Y will be 180 minus 150, and y will be of 30 degree. Now in second part we have to find y and z when x is equal to 24. So putting x is equal to 24 in equation 1, we can find the value of z, and putting x is equal to 24 in equation 1, we can find the value of y. So putting x is equal to 24 in equation 1, हम पहले equation 1 में पुट करेंगे एंड y की वैल्यू को फाइंड करेंगे. 180 minus 100 minus 48, so y will be 180 minus 148, and y will be 32 degree. Now putting x is equal to 24 in equation number 2. Z plus 3 into 24 is equal to 180. Z is equal to 180 minus 72, and Z will be 108 degree. So students, similarly you can try third part of this question. Now question 12, part number 3. Now y is given to you x plus 2. Again we were having these two equations. So putting y is equal to x plus 2 in equation number 1. So it will be x plus 2 plus 100 plus 2x is equal to 180. It will become 3x, 180 minus 102, and 3x is equal to 78 degree, x will be 26 degree. Now we can put this value of x in equation number 2 to find the value of z. Important question है. and Z will be of 102 degree. Question number 13. In the figure, AOB is a straight line and angle BOC, this angle is of 60 degree. OD is bisector of angle AOC, मीनिंग जो OD है वो एंगल AOC को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है. Find the value of x, and x is starting from ray OD and it is going up to ray OB, and we have to find this one angle. So to find this we have to find the value of DOC first of all. In figure, AOB is a straight line and OD bisects angle AOC. So therefore we can give it name as angle 1 and this angle 2. Angle 1 plus 2 and plus 60 degree is equal to 180. But angle 1 जो है वो 2 के क्या है equal है. So we can find the value of angle 1 or you can say the value of angle 2. Double of angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 will be of 60 degree. So angle 1 is also of 60 degree. So therefore angle 2 will also be of 60 degree because both the angles are equal, because ray OD is bisecting angle AOC and both angle 1 and 2 are half of angle AOC. Now we have to find the value of x. So therefore x will be 360 minus angle BOD, or you can say 360 and BOC is 60 plus 60 because angle 2 is of 60 degree अभी हमने find किया है, and it will be 360 minus 60 minus 60, 300 minus 60 and it will be of 240 degree. Now question number 14. In adjoining figure, OD is bisector of angle AOC. OD is bisector of angle AOC, meaning both the parts of angle AOC are equal, meaning angle 2 जो है वो angle 4 के equal है. And OE is bisector of angle BOC, meaning both the parts of angle BOC are equal, and two parts of angle BOC are angle 1 and angle 3. तो इट मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन एंगल 1 आपको एंगल 3 के इक्वल गिवन है. एंड नेक्स्ट आपको गिवन है OD परपेंडिकुलर टू OE. OD परपेंडिकुलर टू OE मीन्स एंगल 1 plus 2 जो है दैट इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट AOB आर कोलिनियर, मीनिंग AOB को एक स्ट्रेट लाइन प्रूव करना है. ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन गिवन नहीं है. सो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. इन फिगर OE एंड OD बाइसेक्ट. OE किसको बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है? एंगल BOC को एंड एंगल AOC रिस्पेक्टिवली, एंड दिस स्टेटमेंट इज गिवन. तो देयरफॉर फिगर के अकॉर्डिंग एंगल 1 विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 2 विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल 4. ऑल्सो OD परपेंडिकुलर टू OE, दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन. तो देयरफॉर एंगल DOE एट द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ OD एंड OE द एंगल विल बी ऑफ 90 degree. And DOE is mixture of angle 1 and 2, or you can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90. But above we have proved that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 है. Putting angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4, we get angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 90. Now we can add these two equations. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 90 plus 90, meaning 180 degree. So it means sum of all these four angles is 180 degree. So this gives A, O and B are collinear. Collinear means all the points are lying on the same line, or you can say AOB is a straight line. Hence, proved. Now, question number 15. In the following figure, lines ADCF and BE intersect at point O. Point of intersection of all these three lines is O, and we have to find the value of y. Here we can see all the three lines are intersecting at the point O. Because lines are intersecting, so vertically opposite angles will be equal. So in figure, lines AD, CF and BE intersect at O. जब भी टू पॉइंट्स इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी, टू लाइन्स सॉरी, देन वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल. सो इफ वी टेक लाइन line AD and AD and BE, so angle 3 will be 4y, and when we take angle line CF and BE, then angle 1 will be of 2y. If we take the lines AD and CF, then angle 2 will be of 3y. So here I am taking AD. If you take like this, only these lines, then this angle is 3y and name of this angle is 2. So angle 2 and जो 3y है, they will be equal, and angle 2 will be of 3y degree. Then angle 1 is equal to 2y and angle 2 is equal to 3y and angle 3 will be of 4y. And what is the reason behind this? These all are vertically opposite angles. So therefore, now we are having all the three missing values, and AD is a straight line, so you can say 3y plus 2y plus 4y will be of 180 degree, because AD is a straight line and these two rays are standing on it. तो इट मीन्स AD के ऊपर जो भी एंगल्स बने हैं उन सब का सम होगा 180. इट मीन्स 3y प्लस 4y एंड प्लस 1 विल बी ऑफ 180, बट 1 को हमने 2y के इक्वल प्रूव किया. हेयर यू कैन ऐड वन मोर लाइन, 4y प्लस एंगल 1 प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 180, बट एंगल 1 इज ऑफ 2y degree. So putting value of angle 1 and now adding these, we get 9y is equal to 180 and y is equal to 180 by 9 is equal to 20 degree. Finally the y is of 20 degree. Students, in this question you may be asked to find all the angles. So if y is 20, then this one angle will be of 60, this will be of 40 and this will be of 80 degree.